What if the most important skill in AI today, prompt engineering, becomes obsolete in the next 2 years? And what if AI stops waiting for you to tell it what to do and just does it? This isn't science fiction. This is one of the biggest predictions for 2026 from A16Z. Today, we're going to explore what the death of prompt really means for you, for your job, and for the future of every app you use. So, what is A16Z actually predicting? They call it the rise of prompt free and proactive applications. The idea is simple but profound. We're moving from a world where we constantly have to tell AI what we want to a world where AI anticipates our needs and acts on them in the background. Think about how you use Gmail. You don't prompt it to finish your sentences. Smart Compose just suggested the next few words. Now imagine that for everything. Instead of opening your calendar and asking the AI to find a meeting time, the AI has already seen the email chain, checked everyone's availability, and proposed a time before you even thought to ask. That's the proactive future A-System Z is betting on. And this isn't just a theory. We're already seeing the seeds of this. Think about the app Rewind, which creates a searchable memory of everything you've seen on your computer. It's not waiting for you to feed it information, it proactively capturing it. Or consider the new generations of the AI agents. You don't give them step by step instructions, you give them a goal, like plan my trip to Tokyo. And they just go off and do the research, book the flights, and create an itinerary. The prompt becomes high level objectives, not a detailed comment. The ultimate example is imagine the AI that sees you are struggling with, for example, a spreadsheet. Instead of you having to ask for help, it proactively suggests a formula or even builds the entire pivot table for you. The user experience shifts from conversation to collaboration. So, what does this mean for us? For product managers, engineers, is a total paradigm shift. We have to stop thinking about interfaces that make inputs and start designing systems that understand the context and intent. The best AI products might be the one that you barely interact with at all. And for founders, the opportunity is massive. The next billion-dollar company might not be a better ChatGPT, but an application that makes a complex workflow magically disappear. It's about reducing the cognitive load for the user and not adding another tool for them to manage. And for everyone else, it means technology will feel less like a tool you have to operate and more like a true assistant that's always one step ahead. And the threat is that companies are still building products, wait for the user to tap in the requirements, or the comments will be left behind and looking slow and clunky. So, as an engineer and PM, this is one of the most exciting and terrifying idea for me. It's actually exciting because it forces us to build smarter, more intuitive products. It's terrifying at the same time because it makes a lot of what we have known for the past decade about UX obsolete. I'm already thinking about this for my app that I'm building, how I can make it so simple that there are no prompts at all. And what do you think about this? Are you ready for a prompt free future? What's one app you wish would just read your mind and act on its own? And let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of big trends in tech, make sure you subscribe for the next ACES and Z prediction breakdown. Thank you. Salut.